Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue, the general issue you get whenever you try to install OS Zap in your Windows. So whenever a cyber people try to install OS Zap in their system, they usually get an error like the wizard couldn't find a Java runtime environment on your screen. Please locate a suitable 64-bit GRE. So let's first introduce that issue, like how that issue is in your system. So let me try to download the apps. This is the very first link and Windows 64 installer. So that I can save on that download. So we have finally downloaded the Zap installer file. So we're gonna go to our download, then we're gonna double click our download file. So now this is the issue. The install 4J wizard couldn't find a Java runtime environment on your system. Please locate a suitable 64-bit GRE. So for this thing, so the first thing we know that your system doesn't have a Java pre-installed. That's why we are having this issue. So if your Windows already have a Java pre-installed, you wouldn't be getting this issue. So let's work on to resolve this issue. So for this one, we're gonna cross this one, then we're gonna open the new tab. Then after this, then we're gonna look for JDK23 Windows Java. Search. So after this one, when you go down, then you're gonna see the Java archive download. We're gonna click on this thing. So we're gonna go down, and this is the Java SE Development Kit 23.0.1, and here we can see the file Windows x64 installer, which is 205.21 MB. We're gonna click on this thing, and you can save anywhere you want. I would like to save usually on the download. Save, and it's downloading. It's only 205 MB, so it won't take that much long. There we go, it's downloaded. So let me double click this one, and it's gonna actually, do you want to all of this, have to make changes, just do yes and do the next and do the next. It takes a little bit of time. So here we go, Java TM SE Development Kit is successfully installed. So we're gonna close this one, and now we can go back to our download file, the Java, and we can double click this one. Here we go, we don't have that issue. The issue is real, so you can do next, accept, next, install, finish. And here we go, we are able to download and install our OS Zap in our Windows, although we got that Java runtime issue. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye. Love you all.